Now, sometimes when you are assessing students, you want to collect evidence. And there are quite a few ways in this program to collect evidence. So the little plus sign by the evidence for each student, I'm going to go to Anita Bath. If I press that one, you can see there's a list of types of evidence I can collect. One is I can use the camera on the iPad. So if I chose the camera, I'm going to just pretend maybe this student, this is some evidence the student had. I'm just going to take a picture. If that's fine, I'll say use photo, or I'll press retake if it's not great. So I'll use that photo. So that's what shows some evidence of how the student worked out the problem. And maybe I can then show that, or we can share that as a class and go through the different ways that students might have tackled or attempted a problem. Let me go to the next person, Eager Beaver, and let's say I'm going to do a video down here, but I'm just going to press record, and maybe a student is explaining what they did. They could have manipulatives on their desk, or concrete materials, and they could be moving around explaining, or it could be a piece of paper like this that they're explaining. It could be a group presentation, anything like that. So let's save that, use the video. Let's go to the next student. Annie, let's say it's an audio. Sometimes, so I'm going to press start. And sometimes a student might, I'll do a recording of their reading, maybe just recording of them explaining something, that sort of thing. So I'll save. I can save that recording. Let's try another one. This is for Justin. I can get photos that I've already taken with my iPad that are saved to my photos on the iPad. So I'm just going to press photos. It'll again, if it's the first time you're accessing your microphone or accessing the camera or accessing your photos, it will ask you, allow FileMaker to access your photos. Make sure you put yes, or you won't be able to get to here. So I'm going to go to this here, my albums. I was in Uluru in Australia, and I took some pictures. I'll just do this one with the Joey. It wasn't in Uluru, but still. Okay, so I inserted that picture. That could be a picture of some student's work or something the student did, a project or something. Let's try another one. The next is a link to cloud sites. That's going to be in a separate video because it's a little more complex. So look for a video on evidence for cloud sites, cloud websites. The next one below that, though, is insert a file. So you can actually save files like PDFs into the FileMaker. And I just have one here at the very bottom. That's where they kind of tend to go, the bottom of the list. And so I'm just going to click that. It inserts this PDF. And then the last one I'll show you on here is paste. What happens is I can, if students are doing a group project, and so they're just the same project for multiple students, and let's say I did a video, I can't redo a video every time for the next student, the next student, the next student. I would just copy that video. So I'm going to go to Eager Beaver, and I'm going to press on the video that I did for him, and you'll see copy kind of down near the bottom now. I'll press copy there, and I'll just go down to Gladys, and I'll just put paste. So it'll paste that same video in for Igor as Gladdy, because they were working on the same project and it was the same video. So you can copy photos or pictures or audios or whatever and paste them into students as well.